In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Forever 21 account. Whether you're browsing the newest fashion trends or checking the status of your online orders, accessing your account is key to unlocking all these features and more. So, let's dive right in and get you signed in seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Forever 21's website. For this, simply type Forever 21 into your search engine or enter www.forever21none.com into your browser's address bar. Once you hit enter, it should lead you straight to the home page filled with the latest collections and on-trend looks. Make sure to bookmark this page if you plan to visit often. It'll make accessing the site much quicker in the future. Now that you're on the home page, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll normally find the icon that looks like a silhouette or sometimes the word account. Click there and it will take you to the login page. It's super convenient and one of the first interfaces you'll see when logging into almost all major online stores. Having an account with Forever 21 isn't just about purchasing clothes. It's also where your shopping history and wish lists are saved, making shopping more personalized for you. Next, you'll see boxes labeled for your email and password credentials. So proceed by typing in the email address you used when creating your Forever 21 account. This is usually the email where you receive all their newsletters and promotional mails. Be careful here. Ensure it's free of any typing mistakes because even a small error in your email can lead to login trouble. Forever 21 uses your email as a unique identifier, so it's critical to get it right. Once you've entered your email address, look for the Continue button. Essentially, clicking this confirms that you intend to proceed with this email account. If it's your first time logging in, or if you haven't saved your password on the browser, you'll typically be prompted to enter your password next. Make sure that caps lock is off and your password is entered correctly. If you ever forget your password, don't worry. There's usually an option here labeled Forgot Password that you can click on to reset it. If everything is correct, you should now be able to see your account's dashboard. Keep your account credentials secure and avoid using public computers or unsecured networks when accessing sensitive data. And there you have it.